Hi, and welcome to U.S. Government. My name is Miss Lindblom, and I will be your teacher for this semester. If you ever have any questions or need any help, please do not hesitate to call me. I hope everyone had a wonderful winter break and is ready to get started. So let's take a look at what we will be working on. When you open up your class, you should fall on the Updates page where you will see any messages from me, as well as the suggested weekly schedule. This is where I will break down what day I think you should work on an assignment in order to get stuff turned in a timely manner and to make it more manageable. You'll also find my email and phone number and a place to let me know if you need to turn in any late or missing work. Once you have looked over the schedule, go ahead and click on the materials page. Then you will find two folders, a Start Here folder and a Course Content folder. Every week you will click on the Course Content folder and it will have a week for you to look in. This week is week 1. You will be doing some kind of getting to know you stuff and getting to know the class. You'll have 4 assignments, a survey, syllabus, and quiz, so you should look through the Start Here folder before starting this. Some of the questions have answers from in there. A contact form where you will click on the link and then fill out the Google form with questions on how would be the best way for me to contact you. Then you need to email me with telling me what are your reasons for taking this course online. Why aren't you taking it at a different school? Don't forget to CC your parents, and if you have a Gmail address for Jeffco that you don't plan on using, CC that too, just in case. But please send it from the email address you plan on using every day or the email address you want me to contact you with. And then take a screenshot. This link here tells you how to do that, and submit it over here to the submission box. After you've done the email, you can go to the discussion where I would like you to tell me if you have any nicknames and your classmates and what other schools you might be attending and what's the best thing you did over break. Also, if you could be a gold medalist in any Olympic sport, what sport would you choose and why? And where would you go to train for this sport? Your post is worth 50 points, so please make sure it's detailed. Then each reply up to 2 is worth 25 points for a total of 100 points. You won't be able to see what your other classmates have written until you make your initial post. After you make your post, you can go back and respond to it to classmates. And then that should be it for this week. So let's look at the Start Here folder. In the Start Here folder, you'll find the syllabus and instructor info. Again, more ways to figure out how to contact me. That's the same thing as this page here, as well as a little bio and some information about when I'm on campus, which is Wednesdays. You can also find the auto grid in this folder and the syllabus. The auto grid, remember, is if you're on campus, what you're working towards to get those auto dollars, but also if you are not on campus, just some good things to live by. Then we'll take a look at the syllabus. My contact information again. Materials, course structure, Schoology access, technical access, grading policy, late work policy, participation, attendance. I will take attendance between 3 and 4, or try to every day, but mostly you just should try to log in at least once every 24 hours. Schoology tells me when the last time you accessed an assignment was, so As long as that number is under 24 hours, I will count you as being present in the class for the day. Also look over this. There's another question from the syllabus quiz. Plagiarism, big pet peeve of mine. So please make sure you're not copying and pasting and using your own words when turning in assignments. Some other things in the Start Here folder are some tips and tricks. If you get stuck or you're not sure how to do something, look through this folder first. And if you still can't figure out what's going wrong, contact me and we will try and help you out. So just kind of look through those folders and then do the assignments for this week. You can also always find the assignments over here in the upcoming, and it always tells you the due date. Another important tab for you guys to recognize is the grade tab over here. You should be checking your grades every week. This is another place to find assignments. If you're missing the assignment, you can click on the assignment and it'll take you right there. So be sure you're checking your grades at least once a week to make sure you're staying caught up. Alright, if you have any questions, please call or text or email. This email is better than my govt Gmail. I don't check that one as often. This one I check several times a day. You can also Schoology message me if you prefer that method. I will try to get back to you within 24 hours. It's usually much quicker than that, though. If you haven't heard from me in 24 hours, feel free to check with me again. Hope you have a great semester, and I'm on campus on Wednesdays. If you ever need to meet with me, we can schedule a time on Wednesday afternoon. Have a great day.